An optical wireless mouse can make it much easier and more effective to use your laptop and desktop computer. Because a mouse moves smoothly, it makes navigating through your computer fast, which can mean higher productivity. And because the mouse is 2.4 gigahertz, it provides a powerful, reliable connection. The soft grip top and contoured sides make it comfortable to use. The scroll wheel makes it faster to use and provides precise tracking to navigate through your work. When your battery is low, you'll see a blinking red light on the top of the mouse, so you'll know it's time to change the battery. Nano wireless receivers are designed to be left in the laptop's port. They're so small that they can rest almost flush with the side of your laptop. This allows you to pack your laptop in its case without worrying about the receiver damaging the USB port. This works with Windows 2000, XP, Vista, 7, and 8. From the moment the package hits your doorstep, it's easy to set up and use. That starts with unpacking. You won't have to struggle with that hard plastic packaging at all. Setting up the mouse is easy. First, remove the battery cover on the bottom of the mouse. Then remove the nano receiver stored between the two batteries. Next, insert two batteries over the plastic tab. This tab will help you remove the batteries when you need to replace them. Replace the battery cover. Insert the nano receiver into a USB port on your computer. On the bottom of the mouse, switch the button to on. When the optical sensor lights, the computer detects the mouse and the mouse is ready to use. When you're not using the mouse, turn it off and store the nano receiver inside the battery compartment.
Need a sturdy cable to charge your Apple device? Then the Amazon Basics nylon-braided USB-A to Lightning compatible cable is for you. The cable is Apple MFI certified, which ensures complete charge and sync capabilities with Lightning compatible devices. Backed by an Amazon Basics 1-year limited warranty, the high-quality copper wires promote maximum signal quality and strength. Plus, these cables have been thoroughly tested to bend 95 degrees. Amazon Basics nylon-braided USB-A to Lightning compatible cable is perfect to use at home, in the car, or at your office.
Whether you're just starting to cook or are a seasoned chef, this high-quality carbon steel knife set makes a great addition to your kitchen. These knives have superior high-carbon stainless steel blades. The benefit of the carbon blade is that they are well balanced and have a longer edge tension, which means less sharpening. Each knife in the set comes equipped with an ergonomically designed triple riveted plastic overmolded handle for a secure, comfortable grip and enhanced control. Each knife's triple riveted construction securely attaches the handle to the stainless steel tang, which runs from the blade through the end of the handle. Here's what you'll find in the box. The most invaluable knife to any chef is the chef's knife. You'll use this knife 90% of the time for any of your everyday chopping and slicing. And because it's kind of like a mini chef's knife, the paring knife can do all of the finer detail tasks like peeling fruit or trimming meat. Making croutons for stuffing or slicing a baguette for crostini couldn't be easier with the serrated bread knife. The powerful kitchen shears can do everything from cutting through chicken to trimming herbs for a garnish. Keeping your knife sharp makes using them a lot easier. You can use the included sharpener to sharpen the knives by placing it upright in front of you while holding the sharpener tight. Always hold the knife away from you and pull each side of the knife down the sharpener, gradually diminishing the pressure. Always wash your knives by hand and completely dry them after each use. When not in use, place your knives in the wood knife block for easy storage. Now you have everything you need to get started.
Novice and experienced chefs alike are sure to love the Amazon Basics 12-piece colored knife set. The set includes a paring knife, utility knife, santoku knife, carving knife, chef's knife, and bread knife. The color-coded system not only looks great, but helps easily distinguish knives to reduce the risk of cross-contamination during food preparation. The durable stainless steel blade holds a sharp cutting edge for safe, efficient use, while the color coding creates a non-stick cutting surface that helps prevent food from sticking to the blade. And the ergonomic handle promotes a secure and comfortable grip. Brighten up your kitchen with the Amazon Basics 12-piece colored knife sets.